Hi, Andrew Mitchem here again, the Forex trading coach. Today's Friday the 24th of August. Well, it's been another amazing week with the trading. This time yesterday we had a really good 2.5-hour live trading webinar. Now, I hold these webinars every 2 weeks for my clients, and I've got clients from all over the world, 38 countries I have clients from, and many of them log in every 2 weeks and we trade live on a live account in front of everybody. I trade here from my office on one of my live accounts. So we had some really good trades yesterday. I believe we took about 8 trades live during the session yesterday, and on top of that I had probably about another 6 or 7 open trades live, and they went through, most of them went through and hit really good profit. There were 2 actually on the 4-hour charts, I think, that got stopped out, but 3 others that I took towards the end of the webinar all made. Now, it's really important to understand that when I trade I have a very good risk to reward ratio. So I'm looking at somewhere between a 1.5 to 2.5 reward for every one risk. So for me, I trade a 0.5% of my account. I'm risking 0.5% per trade on the daily charts, and all the other time frames, the 4-hourlies and the hourlies and even down to 15-minute charts, I risk only 1/4% of my account on any one trade. So if I'm risking 1/4% and I have a 2-to-1 risk to reward, it means that I'm making a 0.5% gain for a 1/4% risk. So you can do the math and you work that out over with 3 profitable trades and 2 losing trades. You can see that the actual returns are really good. On top of that, longer term, I've personally taken a buy trade on the silver. I took it at the end of last week. I actually forgot to mention that in last week's video, but I bought some silver when it got to the 27.50 level. It had been a really strong support level, and I'm not really buying that so much in terms of looking at closing out of that trade anytime soon. I'm just taking that more of a personal buy and hold philosophy on silver, because I think that silver has got a long way to go. Last year it just about touched 50, and there's probably no reason at all why over the next few months or possibly years that 50 plus, well beyond, will be achieved, and that's just a personal opinion. What else we had? So on top of the webinar, we've had again a really good week. I had a buy trade on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, that hit the profit target absolutely perfectly on Thursday. Yeah, yesterday. That was Thursday's trade on the daily chart. Today I've taken a short position on the Australian US and a long position on the Euro Pound, and they're right open now as I'm speaking. So we've had some really good trades on the short time frames outside of the webinar yesterday. The Euro Pound system, my Monday breakout system, looks like it's going to hit profit again this week. The last trade's still in right now, but it's looking really good and is in good profit as I speak. So what else have I got on? Well, for me personally, I'm off for a karate tournament now for the weekend. I'm a karate instructor, and I've got the next 2 days of karate camp with all the instructors from around New Zealand meeting up together. So effectively a good hard session of a boot camp effectively, but lots to learn. So I love doing karate. It gets me away from the trading and just sort of takes the whole mindset away. So that's it for now. As you can see, trades are going along behind me. I'll be closing any open trades out on Saturday morning my time before the market shuts, and off to karate, like I said, and look forward to getting back into trading on Monday morning again. So that's all for now. I look forward to talking to you this time next week, and have a great weekend.